What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. Samsung did not have a great 2020 start with the COVID-19 pandemic and the insanely high price tags stamped on its flagship smartphones. The company may also have a different tactic, and upon witnessing what Apple released in the form of its iPhone 12, Samsung decided to take this opportunity to come up with the Galaxy Z Fold 2. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G cost an awful lot money, but it is clearly better than its predecessor. Samsung has made a host of changes for this year's model, which this review video reveals. In this video, I will talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. If you want to be at the forefront of technology, then foldable smartphones are at least as important as a Tesla in your garage. Samsung has offered a new alternative with the second generation of its foldable smartphone, and we have had the pleasure of trying one out. The form factor of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G remains niche too, as hardly any OEM have joined Samsung in releasing a device like the Galaxy Fold. Folding smartphones are getting better though, and the Z Fold 2 5G is not a repeat of original Galaxy Fold. The new hinge design, which is now available in several more individualistic colors, is much better and is more flexible than the one Samsung used in its predecessor. The Z Fold 2 5G can be locked in almost any position and set up the smartphone like a laptop, which is something that Galaxy Fold could not do. Even the software has been improved and now adapts better to the multi-screen setup. Some apps can even be transferred seamlessly from the interior screen to the exterior one and back, should you wish to do so. This works particularly well in the YouTube app. The interior display is also not as fragile as the one in the Galaxy Fold, but fingernails can still damage it. Consequently, caution is required when using the Z Fold 2 5G, especially as it is not water or dust proof. The interior screen is more expensive though, as is the much larger exterior display. The Z Fold 2 5G may be one expensive smartphone, but it offers excellent performance, fast Wi-Fi speeds and plenty of memory. The dual speakers are good too, as is the precise GPS module. I have a few issues with the Z Fold 2 5G, like its lackluster mobile network reception, but I still could only recommend it to a few people who want to live life on the bleeding edge. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.
And I'm losing my mind for the day.